Click it.
Look at.
Hello everyone, this is Adele with Nile Kid Tech once again, and today I am bringing you a cool MacBook Pro accessory. This bad boy right here. We'll call it the docking station, if you will. If you have bought a MacBook recent model, I bought this bad boy right here, 2017 holiday season. And the first thing I noticed is now it only comes with nothing else but two USB Type-C connections and the headphone jack. Of course, you're gonna need to attach a lot of stuff to it. Accessories, external hard drives that I use for editing videos, for my YouTube channel, all the good stuff you could imagine. So I was looking online and finally I came across this bad boy right here. So I figured, you know what, let's give it a try. I did, and I liked it, and I thought I'd do a video about it, and that's why we're here. So let's get started.
Alright, so this here looks like it's the user manual. But we're gonna be putting it to the test, so you don't have to read it. Alright, let's see the device itself. Alright, here it is. So on top it looks like it's the company name, J5 Create. This here looks like a lamp, status lamp I'm assuming. HDMI in. These here, oh it's right there. Alright, so let's see if I could get it into focus. This is a Thunderbolt 3, so that means we could connect a monitor to it, which means we can have dual outside monitors for the MacBook Pro. USB 3.1, and this is a USB-C, I should add. And these two right here are traditional USB 3.0 in. And last but not least is the SD card in, which for me it's a great thing because obviously I do a lot of videos and I upload them and I need to be able to connect my SD card directly to my MacBook Pro. Here is the connection that you connect to the laptop, which are two USB-C Type-C connections, and they should be connecting directly into the laptop. So let me grab my MacBook Pro and connect it and put this bad boy to the test. Alright, so let's go ahead and put it on and see how it goes. On the other side are the two USB outlets where the device is gonna fit. Shit. Look at that, pretty straightforward. Alright, now let's put it to the test. Alright, so now I got my HDMI cable here connected to my Dell monitor, 4K monitor that is. So let's see what happens. Alright, connected pretty easy. Alright, computer is turning on. Go to display. All right, and as you could see, it's now turned on and it is able to see my computer, and it's using it as a secondary monitor, which is pretty cool. And you could always change the setting and get it to be an external monitor. So let's see here. All right, now it's acting as my default monitor, as you all could see, and now I could see my MacBook Pro on it instead of, and then this screen right here, the laptop itself is still as a secondary monitor, but I'm assuming, and I don't have a Thunderbolt cable right now, but I'm assuming if I connect the secondary monitor to that Thunderbolt, then we'll be able to see that it has a dual monitor, and we'll be able to do, you know, editing or whatever it is that you do. All right, let's check out the next thing. Let's connect a USB device to it and see how it will interact with it. Let's go. All right, so I have an SD card here. Let's plug it in and see if it will be recognized or not. Oh, this is cool. So you see, we put in the SD card, and as you push it in, it actually ends up being flushed with the device, so it's not sticking out. So you could actually just permanently put a large SD card in here, 128 gigabyte or 256, and that way you're also increasing your computer's memory. But before we get too excited, let's just make sure that it was recognized by the computer. And not sure if you could see, but it looks like it was able to recognize it. Let me see if I could zoom in here on the laptop, or on the PC, I should say. As you could see, it recognized the SD card. It's listed right here. Called Untitled, and you could see the files. It was inside my GoPro. All right, so I think it's safe to say the SD card slot does work. All right, now let me go ahead and eject it. Now let's see if I can put it on, but using an adapter. In other words, trying the large SD card. So let me grab an adapter real quick. Right, so here is the same card inside the adapter. All right, now let's see what's gonna happen with that one. All right, so it looks like I gotta put it upside down or something. Yep. All right, so once again, as you could see, it's recognized, titled Untitled. Open up this, and it's also my GoPro, same GoPro files, everything. All right, so the SD card slots are working fine.
All right, everyone, if you made it that far, thank you for watching. I hope you like my channel. I hope you like this video. Consider hitting that subscribe button as well as to activate the bell and so you could get notified when new videos get uploaded. Again, thanks for watching. Appreciate every and each one of you and take care.